Hare Om. We have studied how the abhyas should be. And now the explanation of Vairagya. Vairagya also is very important quality for the study of yoga. Patanjali gives the explanation of Vairagya in two levels. The first is Vashikara Vairagya. We can call it as a primary Vairagya. And second one is higher level. So Sutra number 15 is explaining this primary or Vashikara Vairagya. Drishtanushravika Vishaya Vitrušnasya Vashikara Saudnya Vairagyam. So he says this type of Vairagya is called Vashikara. Name given to that particular type of Vairagya. And Vairagya is detachment. Exactly opposite to attachment. Now initially he is explaining Drishta, Anushravik and all. It means whatever we see, that is Drishta. Whatever we listen, that is Anushravik. And again, of course, he has not explained further three sense organs, but it is understood that this connection is with the sense organs. That means what we experience or perceive through our sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now these five sense organs are continuously functioning, particularly when we are awake. So we get the information about the external world through these five sense organs. That information is processed in the mind and brain and is converted to knowledge. And that knowledge creates some emotions, some reactions. And that reactions disturb us many times. For example, you eat some sweet dish. So we eat and we experience the taste through the tongue. And we say, oh, it's very nice. So that is a pleasurable experience. But when our mind gets attached to this experience, mind always remains in touch with this experience. Now the eating is over. The food is also finished. After some time, because mind is attached to that experience, again mind will say to you that yes, I want to eat it more. The food item is not there, but mind will say I want to eat it. So that is attachment. Then you need to bring that food again from wherever it is available. If it is not available, mind will be sad. Oh, I want to eat it, but I am not getting it. So you become sad. Why? Because of the attachment. So this attachment creates all disturbances, pains, miseries, kleshas, everything in our life. Suppose in the same case, our mind is not attached. The food item is there, you can eat also, you can enjoy also. You will have the pleasure also of eating. But as the mind is not attached, afterwards, your mind will not say that I want to eat it again. Right? Because of the attachment, we remain connected always. And practically many times it is not possible. But then we have to suffer. But when the attachment is not there, that means Vairagya is there. You ate something and there is Vairagya, no attachment. So you will forget. You will never remember it again. Suppose you get the same food again, you may eat it, you can enjoy also. But in between there is no attachment. So no pain, no trouble, no complication. Your mind will always remain happy, will not get disturbed. So the attachment disturbs the mental condition. And detachment keeps it in a balanced condition. It may be through tongue, or it may be through the eyes, it may be through the ears. If you listen some good music, if you are attached, you need to listen again and again and again. And if you don't get it, again you will become sad. So same thing with all 5 organs. That is why Patanjali is specifically insisting on these sensual things, the experiences we experience through the senses. So experiences may be bad, and if you remain attached, then just the memory will disturb always to you. Oh, that was very bad experience, that was very bad experience. If you are not attached, you will forget it. So it will not disturb. So whatever the result is, may be pleasurable or may be painful. Attachment creates more complications and develops more pain and trouble in our life. And that is why detachment is the best solution for this. And that is what Patanjali says. That means you must get detached from these sensual experiences. Maybe pleasurable, maybe painful. If you are master in that, then this is called Vashikara Vairagya. That is how he explains this Vashikara Vairagya. This tendency of mind is to be developed, definitely. But we develop the attachment. This attachment is not also natural. We develop the attachment. So we have to develop the detachment. Now again the question will remain how to develop the detachment. And all these questions answer in practice of yoga. Abhyasa of yoga. So this abhyasa of yoga only will develop this detachment or vairagya, and that will keep your mind in perfect balance condition throughout. And that is what we can call it mental peace. So in normal condition also this vairagya or detachment plays a very important role in our life. One must understand this thing, try to be aware of all that, and try to develop this vairagya. That will make our life also very comfortable throughout. Hare Om.